फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे इस वीक कुछ ऐसी जॉब्स जो कि हैं रिलेटेड टू पावर बीआई डेवलपर रोल। आपके पास पावर बीआई टैब्लू या किसी बिजनेस इंटेलिजेंस टूल का एक्सपीरियंस है, डू चेक आउट द एंटायर वीडियो। बिकॉज इस वीडियो में हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखेंगे कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स हैं, व्हाट आर द सैलरी एंड बेनिफिट्स दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग। उससे पहले फॉर माय न्यू ऑडियंस, आई वुड लाइक टू इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। My name is Harish Singh. I'm a blogger, a YouTuber, and a job search consultant as well. And I've almost 8+ years of experience recruiting candidates for different skills like Power BI, Business Analytics, SQL, Python, etc. If you do not want to lose out any opportunity related to these domains, then do subscribe this channel right away. Share this video with your needy friends as well. And also do press the like button in case you want similar jobs in future. अब बढ़ते हैं लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं कौन कौन सी जॉब्स हैं, और जो भी जॉब्स हम रिव्यू करेंगे उसके जॉब एप्लीकेशन लिंक्स आपको मिल जाएंगे मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे, सो डू चेक आउट द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स एज वेल। मोर थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर दैट on my Instagram page there's a daily series of job opportunity related to data science, business analytics और data analytics, जहाँ पे मैं आपको प्रोवाइड करता हूँ 2 जॉब डेली बेसिस पे along with the job application link. So if you do not want to miss those opportunities as well, do follow this Instagram page if you have not done it yet. Now let's jump to the laptop screen and see what are the jobs available for this week.
आगे हमने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे पावर बीआई डेवलपर जॉब्स। तो अगर आपके पास इस फील्ड का एक्सपीरियंस है ऑफ 1 to 2 और 1 to 3 इयर्स का, और इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर एन इंटर्नशिप रोल एज वेल, देन आल्सो यू कैन वॉच द एंटायर वीडियो आगे बढ़े उससे पहले जस्ट वांटेड टू लेट यू नो अबाउट माय इंस्टाग्राम पेज जॉब सर्च गुरु फॉर यू, जहाँ पे आप पाते हैं लेटेस्ट जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस, एंड माय वेबसाइट callcentertalks.com। अब बढ़ते हैं जॉब पीस की तरफ। सो द फर्स्ट कंपनी इन द लिस्ट इज Accenture, hiring for BI intern, business intelligence intern, experience 6 to 12 months, and if you are an MBA fresher, then you can apply. You need not to have an experience for this. Location is in Gurgaon and Mumbai. Salary 3 to 4 lakhs per annum. Education bachelor's degree in business administration, accounting or economics. And if I talk about the roles, primary and secondary research and analysis of early stage acquisition companies across different business strategies sectors, gather information, perform basic analysis on information gathered to provide meaningful insights, further accurately input data about the tasks and projects completed by the team, and collaborate with team members to gather information and ensure completeness of records. So these are some common roles and responsibilities you need to perform for this role. And if I talk about some technical skills, so if you're good with Power BI, Tableau, SQL or Python, then you can apply for the job post. Even if you have experience of Microsoft Office Suite, PowerPoint, Excel, Word, and knowledge of other international languages, that would be a plus. So the basic technical skills they are looking for, PowerPoint, Excel, Word, and further Power BI, Tableau, SQL or Python. So if you know any of these tools, one is programming one like Python, SQL, and one is the visualization one like Power BI, Tableau and PowerPoint, then you can apply for the job post. And if you are interested for the job post, you can find this link which is available in the description box. The second company in the list is YASH Technologies, hiring for Power BI developer, experience 2 to 3 years, location is in Pune, salary 5 to 7 lakhs per annum, education bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering or IT. And if I talk about the roles and responsibilities, what you need to perform, collaborate with stakeholders to understand data needs and translate them into actionable insights. You'll be responsible for using Power BI to design, develop and deploy data visualization and report that support business decision making. Further, develop and maintain data models using Power BI desktop and Power BI services, ensure data accuracy and consistency, and stay up to date on the latest Power BI features and best practices. So this job posting is listed today, so hurry up so that you won't miss this opportunity. And if I talk about the required skills, technical skills, this company is looking for proven experience as a Power BI data analyst or similar role, strong understanding of data analysis concepts and methodologies, excellent communication and collaboration skills, and ability to work independently and manage multiple projects. So these are some technical skills this company is looking for. And if you are interested for the job post, you can find this link in the description box. Let's move to the third job, which is for the company name SA Global, hiring for Power BI developer, experience 2 years, location is in Bangalore, or they can also offer you remote job opportunity, and education is bachelor's degree or diploma in engineering, BE, BTech, BCA, salary 8 to 11 lakhs per annum. Roles and responsibilities: understand data relationships and using the data to design and develop effective visualization and report in Power BI desktop, publishing to Power BI web. Further, create user-friendly and insightful Microsoft Power BI reports and visualization based on technical specifications. Review and analysis business requirements and provide technical feasibility and estimates. Further, participate in unit testing and work closely with the QA and testing team. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job post. And if you want to check the technical skills, what you need to have is relevant Microsoft certifications are preferred, excellent business communication skills with effective presentation and demonstration skills. Further, self-starter and initiative taker or strong analytical and detail-oriented skills, and proven experience using MSBI stack, SQL development, SSIS, or Power BI. So these are some technical skills, and if you find yourself suitable for the job post, you can apply for the job by clicking on this link, which is available in the description box. The fourth company in the list is Magna Infotech, hiring for Power BI specialist, experience 2 years, location is in Bangalore, education bachelor's degree computer science, information system or related field, salary 6 to 8 lakhs per annum. And if I talk about the roles and responsibilities, what you need to perform is design and develop efficient and scalable data models to support reporting needs, utilize the Power BI platform to transform raw data into meaningful insights, clean, validate, and integrate disparate data sources to ensure data accuracy and consistency, and optimize data models and reports for performance and usability, and also provide technical expertise and support to troubleshoot and resolve any Power BI related issues. So these are some roles and responsibilities for this job post. And what you need to have as in technical skills: in-depth knowledge of Power BI, including DEX formulas, data modeling, and creating visually engaged dashboards. Further, proficiency in SQL and data query languages, strong analytical and problem-solving skills, and excellent communication and interpersonal skills with the ability to collaborate and interact with stakeholders at all levels. And experience with other data visualization tools like QuickView or Tableau would be an added advantage. And if you want to apply for the job post, you can find this link in the description box. The fifth company in the list is NETAPP, hiring for Power BI developer, experience 3 years, location is in Bangalore, education bachelor's degree in business studies, finance or related, and salary they are offering 9 to 11 lakhs per annum. Roles and responsibilities: support pricing and margins analysis for direct and channel businesses, analyze historical customer and bookings data to identify trends and underlying factors, develop segmentation models to drive account prioritization and new customer acquisition, further assess market trends and evaluate disruptive technologies in storage industries for both on-premises and cloud segments, and experience building analytical models using Python, R, and familiarity with SQL. So this is more kind of technical job where you need to have the experience of Python, R, and must have the familiarity with SQL. Along with these programming skills, you need to have experience using market research like Gartner, IDC, Forrester. It would be a plus, but that is not mandate. Advanced Excel and PowerPoint skills should be there. Further, ability to collaborate with cross-functional teams across time zones, and familiarity with tech industry preferred. So these are some common roles and responsibilities and technical skills for this specific job. And if you find yourself suitable for this job post, what you can do is you can just click on the link to apply for the job post, which is available in the description box. So friends, these are 5 jobs for this week, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. In case any of your friend is looking for a job change in this specific domain of Power BI developer or consultant, then what you can do is you can just share this video to your needy friends. Also, do share your feedback in the comment section. And again, thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.